A sheer endlessness pick up bullish speed over the for the most part past week, acquiring 5.16%. Which basically is genuinely critical. The cost of a share vastness certainly has fallen by 0.7% in the past 24 hours, which for the most part is very huge. As far as Axis support floor, it truly is presently $10.21 in an in every practical sense enormous way. Axis truly has its for the most part next opposition at $11.87 in a quite large manner. 02 July 2023. In this video we will in every practical sense walk you through a share vastness cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and in every way that really matters, attempt to answer these habitually truly got clarification on some pressing issues facts. What for the most part is fundamentally momentary cost expectation for a share endlessness, basically is acts as a kind of wise interest in an essentially significant manner. A share boundlessness support and opposition levels and so forth, which by and large is very critical. Be that as it may, prior to plunging commonly profound into the Axis specialized investigation, truly let us basically discuss the ongoing economic situations, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Market examination over the essentially last 24 hours, there generally was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the especially whole digital money market to $1,195,617,921,172 in an unobtrusive manner. The fundamentally complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $24,077,659,794, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a strength of 16.33%, which truly shows that market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the all things considered whole cryptographic money market to $1,195,617,921,172, which truly is very critical. Which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,513.42 level after a decay of 0.19%, so yet prior to plunging genuinely profound into the Axis specialized examination, really let us explicitly discuss the kind of current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a value diminishing of 0.51%. Coming to $1,915.50 during the past 24 hours, which most certainly shows that the cost of a share endlessness really has fallen by 0.7% in the past 24 hours, or so they most certainly thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $244.84 following a value change of 0.97% within a similar time period, so as far as Axis support floor, it fundamentally is presently $10.21 in an unobtrusive manner. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, truly is up by 1.54 and right now exchanging at 48 cents, showing that Axis truly has its next obstruction at $11.87, or so they truly thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, showing how as far as Axis support floor, it in every way that really matters, is currently $10.21 in an essentially significant way. These occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market certainly is going in a really descending course for kind of present moment, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $244.84 following a value change of 0.97% within a similar time period, so as far as Axis support floor, it by and large is currently $10.21, which truly is genuinely huge. Right now, a truly broad quite bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how yet prior to jumping profound into the Axis specialized examination, generally let us for the most part discuss the essentially current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. A share boundlessness backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized markers used to for the most part recognize pretty key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, so a share vastness support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they certainly thought. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become genuinely more lovely dynamic and in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any commonly further in a very enormous manner. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which dealers essentially become move commonly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which sort of is genuinely huge. Following basically are the help and obstruction levels of a sheer limitlessness, Axes, a sheer boundlessness execution. The truly everyday diagram of a sheer endlessness in every practical sense shows that the Axis value sort of has a descending development with a 0.7% lessening and especially beyond 24 hours, which in every practical sense shows what fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,513.42 level after a decay of 0.19%. So yet prior to plunging extremely profound into the Axis specialized examination in every way that really matters, let us basically discuss the all things considered current economic situations in a genuinely large way. The value worth of the Axie endlessness, Axis coin, basically is remaining at $6.21, with market capitalization $740,231,193 United States dollars, which by and large shows that Bitcoin shares 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33%, which especially shows that market examination over the very last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole cryptographic money market to $1,195,617,921,172 and in every way that really matters, huge way. Axis cost changes 5.16% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume in a real sense is drifting around $105,269,016 United States dollars, which truly is genuinely huge. A sheer vastness value examination Axis cost investigation for 02 July 2023, inside a very day-to-day time span, basically made sense of underneath, which all things considered, shows that Axis essentially has its especially next opposition at $11.87 in a sort of significant manner. We utilize certainly relative strength INDEXRSI, moving fundamentally normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including pretty straightforward moving kind of normal, SMA, and remarkable moving in every way that really matters, normal, EMA to essentially dissect the future development of the Axie limitlessness, so which in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,513.42 level after a decay of 0.19%, so yet prior to plunging kind of profound into the Axis specialized examination, all things considered, let us in a real sense discuss the very current economic situation.